Ng wins title for first time in her career with 4-1 victory over Thailand's Mink Nutcharut. Faced with the threat of losing almost all of their funding, Hong Kong's snooker players have been doing their best to convince the government to reverse its decision to kick them out of the Elite Sports Institute next year. And head coach Wayne Griffiths, who has responsibility for billiard sports, heaped praise on his coaches for continuing to deliver results despite a seemingly bleak future. On Sunday, On-yee won the British Open for the first time in her career. Removal from the Hong Kong Sports Institute's elite list would result in a funding cut of up to 80% and take away the athletes' rights to use the best training facilities. This was On-yee's 20th world ranking event victory in a career spanning over 14 years, Griffith said. The fact that she can stay so long at the very top of the sport is a testament to her work ethic and mental strength. She works both hard and smart and is a fantastic role model for all young athletes in Hong Kong. Ng, 33, beat Mink Nutcharut of Thailand 4-1 to win her third ranking title of the season, after previous victories in Australia and Albania. But the world number 2, who also beat former world champion Rhian Evans in the semi-final, won't be joining Wang, Marco Fu-Ka-chun and Chung Ka-wai at the World Tour in June, with the 2 qualifying spots going to women's world champion Bai Yulu of China and the top-ranked Nutcharut. For our players to be still returning world-class results under the shadow of the news that the government is considering removing billiard sports from HKSI, makes everyone involved with the sport very proud of our talented and dedicated players, Griffith said. Our continued focus now is to keep working hard and to keep securing more results in an attempt to persuade the government to keep us at Tier A at HKSI until we return to the Doha Asian Games in 2030.